What is an electronic expansion valve? An electronic expansion valve, or EEV, is a type of metering device used to control the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator. Unlike the thermostatic expansion valve, which works mechanically, the EEV operates electronically, using sensors and a control signal from the system's controller. Its job is the same, to reduce the pressure of the refrigerant and to control the superheat at the evaporator outlet, but it does it with much higher accuracy and faster response. Main parts of an EEV. Let's look at the main parts of an electronic expansion valve. Stepper motor. This is the heart of the valve. It moves the needle in small steps to precisely control refrigerant flow. Valve needle and seat. These control the opening and closing through which refrigerant passes. Controller. The brain of the system that sends signals to the stepper motor. Sensors. These measure temperature and pressure at the evaporator inlet and outlet. How does an EEV work? The controller receives temperature and pressure data from the sensors. It calculates the superheat, which is the difference between the suction line temperature and the evaporating temperature. Based on that value, the controller sends an electrical signal to the stepper motor. The stepper motor rotates a precise number of steps, moving the valve needle forward or backward. This changes the opening size of the valve, controlling how much refrigerant enters the evaporator. If the superheat is too low, the valve closes slightly. If the superheat is too high, the valve opens more. This keeps the evaporator efficiency high and prevents liquid refrigerant from returning to the compressor. Advantages of EEV. Highly accurate control of refrigerant flow. Fast response to load changes. Improved energy efficiency. Better compressor protection. Works well in variable speed systems like inverter AC and chillers. For example, imagine, during night time, when the room becomes cooler, your system load suddenly decreases. TXV will take some time to react to this change. But an EEV instantly receives data from the sensors and adjusts the refrigerant flow within seconds, preventing overfeeding or starving of refrigerant.